Hey everyone! ChatGPT-5 is finally here. In this video, we'll show you how to use it for free while keeping your chats private. We'll also explore different AI chat models all in one spot, so you can easily compare their answers without worrying about tokens or your conversations being exposed. You might have noticed me using this AI tool in my previous video. I've been using it for quite a while now, and it's free, private, and feels unlimited. As a heavy user, I only hit the daily limit once, but that's not an issue since I can just continue chatting on my mobile. You can chat here without needing an account and explore different AI models. First, let me show you how you can customize your chat responses. You have plenty of options to choose from. You can set your AI's role or your own role and even customize the length of the responses. This way, you'll get pretty accurate answers that save you time and are tailored to your needs. By customizing the AI's role and response length, you can ensure that the information you receive is relevant and directly aligned with what you're looking for. It makes the whole experience much more efficient. Here, you can also enable search, which will provide you with the most updated information. This feature allows the AI to pull in real-time data, ensuring that you get the latest insights and answers. In the settings, you can turn off recent chats if you prefer not to see them, but I find it useful for quickly analyzing previous conversations. Plus, all chats are stored locally, so only you can read them. Even ChatGPT doesn't have access to your chat history. This ensures your privacy while still allowing you to refer back to past discussions whenever you need. So, here we asked a simple question, but GPT-5 needs more clarifying points to answer correctly since this model is still in beta. To see how it compares, we'll try the same question with GPT-4. This way, we can evaluate the differences in responses and see which model provides a clearer answer. Alright, that answer was pretty good. Now, let's try another model to see how it responds. It'll be interesting to compare the answers and find out which one gives us the best insights. Claude provided a more detailed answer that's easier to read, which is great. Let's combine that response with the search function to get a more time-sensitive answer. This way, we can ensure that the information is not only clear, but also up to date, giving us the best of both worlds. At the bottom of the answer, you can also see links to sources. Claude is excellent for deep research, providing thorough and detailed insights, while GPT is a great option for general day-to-day questions. This combination allows you to choose the best tool based on your needs, whether you're looking for in-depth analysis or quick, straightforward answers. Now here in Duck.ai, only GPT-4 has the function to analyze images. This means you can upload a photo, like an ingredients label, and ask about its safety. Sorry for the plugin, I just wanted to share some of our freelance work. We offer web development, graphic design, and editing services. You can find the links in the description. Feel free to email us if you're interested. You can skip this part if you want. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps. Just a quick reminder, we have created more useful videos like this on our channel, so please check them out. If you liked this video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in the comments what we can improve. Have a good day.